Hey everyone, so 24 hours ago I launched the pipspredator private Telegram channel. Let me explain what this is for all my apprentices of the pipspredator indicator, whether you're into long-term investing, and I mentor you for that, or whether you're more into the trading side, and the feedback's been phenomenal. So this little video explains to you all the things that are on it. Now remember, first and foremost, it's a private channel. It was launched, as I say, 24 hours ago, so we've only got 45 people who've caught wind of it so far, and I'm letting them on individually as apprentices. And it's a channel which is only for the paid pipspredator users. So what's on it? Why should you be on it? First of all, it'll show you my analysis of where I think things are going, for instance, with the Dow. It also shows you what I'm adding to my pension, for instance, based on my longer term algorithms and analysis on those things as well. That's not all. As you can see, in 24 hours, I've done a heck of a lot of postings already. It shows you the kind of stocks that I like, why I like them, what kind of performance they've done. I've also included in this free copies of my books, and I'm going to add other books of other traders as well. We're talking full-blown books, not the piddly little ebooks that people often give. Free tickets to a trader show that I'm going to be at. Also, again, more analysis of which way I think the markets are going to be opening and the direction over the next few months. UK stocks, which ones I like, US stocks. I also then give detailed analysis on some of the more academic stuff behind why we trade the way we do. Goldman Sachs's conviction list, the stocks that they like the most, as well as for those who are interested in building up their careers and so on. I often include bits from Harvard Business Review on just improving your decision making and improving your abilities more broadly. Then we go back to the trading part. Again, what you see here is the direction in the morning, as I saw it both with the FTSE and the Dow. Again, some more of the US stocks that I'm liking and how they rate. Plus, I explained on this list, I said, look, I also want to see what's been surviving in the markets at the moment. You know, technology companies which are doing rather well. So I've included some of those, and I include the analysis. Basically, things that my apprentices ask me. They say, listen, I want to know which tech companies are doing well when the rest of the market's going lower. What's your view on that? And obviously, I was asked about gold, and I've given my perspective on that, where I think it's going. This, remember, is all in 24 hours. This is just the private channel in 24 hours alone. And you can view this on either your cell phone or your desktop or laptop. But you have to be an apprentice to be able to get access to it. That's the only thing, amongst the many other benefits you have of being an apprentice. And then I showed some of the trades that we looked at, and then I put in the stocks that I added to the pension, which I discussed over the weekend what I was going to put in. So there's a whole list of names going there. Like I said, that was just 24 hours of me. If you're already a paid up apprentice, then you will know how to get in touch with me through the WhatsApp channel or any other way. If you're not, then get yourself to pipspredator.com. This channel, the Telegram channel, or the app, basically the instant communication app that you'll have on your cell phone, will be just one of the ways in which I mentor and train and give advice and share information to people, amongst, you know, the online course material, the WhatsApp access that they have to me as well as the course material of a bunch of other things. I mean, basically, people get so much guidance from it. I've had such fantastic feedback from people just this morning who've been using it and saying they just love it because it's got that instant communication. As one person put it, it's like having you sitting opposite me. I don't know whether that's a good or a bad thing, but I know they meant it as a compliment. So have a look at pipspredator.com if you want to join up and also be part of that. Be part of that private channel, just to give across that information on which way I see the markets going, and have that more personal contact that you get in some of the insider tips. Remember, the private channel is only for my paid up apprentices. It's not open to the public. So if you're in the public, don't ask, because we check who the apprentices are, and only they get access to it. If you're not already signed up as an apprentice, then you know where to go. Join me at pipspredator.com. Whether it's the investing side you're interested, on the trading side, whether it's just the course material, whether it's our software, which helps look into the direction of the markets, or whether it's just the mentoring for life day to day. And remember, we never charge a subscription. We never charge a daily fee, weekly fee, monthly fee, annual fee, none of that nonsense. On all upgrades are included for life, my friends. So Hope you will be already on board, and if you're not, that's just one of the many benefits I wanted to highlight, especially because in the last 24 hours we've just had some fantastic feedback. People love this, and the apprentices are even more delighted because they don't get charged any extra for this. It's all included. Just added it in as part of the service, so you could feel that closer connection to me. Thanks very much, guys.